Welcome back to my channel, and on today we're going muck spreading. We picked the machine up and I'm on the way back to the farm.
Mowing, lifting, sowing, baling, drawing, hauling, I'm buck breaking, bagging, stacking, ploughing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, tail doors flapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double, trunching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, raring, tearing, losing weight. Oh, heck, if and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, I'm heading for the tail. Well, it up that we work with, well, when the sun went down, we're filling from the bike, jerk all night to the beer will lit van now. Oh, give me a yoke with plenty of poke and a can of easy start, and 1,500 acres hauling 40 ton of grass.
So I'm not going to lie, I have just done one load with it. And blooming hell, done it shifts of muck. That thing's an animal. I think it's about 13-14 ton, but Jesus, don't they shift it. 130 horsepower tractor, 1000 PTO, and it just moves it no bother. Whereas on our little chain one, he's a 540 PTO. I reckon he struggles more on that, and I expect he's 5-6 ton, than he does on that thing, which is 14 ton. The little chain spreader makes the tractor shake like mad and makes it work harder. Whereas this one, the Bunnings muck spreader, is so smooth, and on the road it's really smooth. That's what I found. Really smooth doing that. And then when you put it in 1000 PTO, it just tickles over basically. So I'm just putting the PTO up to 1000. Then on the hydraulics, you've just got to keep that held so the belt just goes round and keeps feeding it out the back. So that is the only thing with this. You do have to keep your hand on there, but I tell you what, it just fires it out. You might have wondered why I was loading and spreading with this same tractor. We did want to do it with our Ford, but the clutch has gone on it now, so that needs attention. It's a sit note basically. And we do have a little Massey as well, but that's not up to the game of filling something like this. So we thought, this is such a big spreader, it's just worth unhitching it each time. And to be honest, this tractor is luxury anyway. He's easy enough to unhitch. What I have seen in the past is, I can't remember what they're called, those setups that you can get on the back, and then you can put all your PTO in it and all your pipes, and then you just literally reverse up to it and everything connects. You just use one tractor. I've seen they do it in other countries. I don't think they're that big over here, but that would be really handy for something like this. If anyone knows what it's called, just let me know. Just got a little bit more left in the back here. So this is what I've done so far. So that's what I've done so far. And I'll just rev this up again. So get it going up to 1000 PTO. And then we're off. Oh. I'll put you there. So yeah, as you can see, I've done a bit of the field. I expect I've done, I don't know, 3 acres, 3.5 acres so far. I've still got a fair heap yet to get rid of. But soon I'm going to have to do the cows, and and then I might have to come back here afterwards. And as we have only got the spreader for the day, so even if I am going on late into the night, I'm going on late into the night. But it'd be good. We're doing a good job to get all this spread. I was just in a rut then, so I just had to concentrate on what I was doing. So I just thought I'd use this time to say we're looking for a crush, and we've got a grant to get a cattle crush, but we don't know what to get. So the crush that we're looking for is a manual squeeze crush, a crush that can have a foot trimming facility on it, so your reel and that sort of stuff. It's got to have a back sliding door. Also, it's got to have a metal floor on it. It's got to have a head scoop. And what else did it got to have? Not weigh scales, that wasn't part of it. There was something else. But anyone that's watching this, I was just wondering if there were the same companies like AIE, Bateman and people like that, if you've got like a mid-range one which is a sensible price. So let me know if anyone does know of anyone, and put it in the comments. Don't know if you can see, I'm just going to close the rear gate now. So it's going down now, as you can see.
Just give it away like it means nothing. Love isn't this game where you win something. I'm tired of being on the outside. I wanna know what it's like. I'm tired of seeing all the signs. I wanna feel us
hoping I can get that barn finished tonight. That's the main priority, just getting that done. Then all the other stuff we can just tick it out with our little spreader. But these are going to take me about an hour, I expect. I expect by the time I get back, it'll almost be pitch black, I expect. I reckon there's about four, maybe 5 loads left inside. But we'll do these first and see how we get on. I've resorted to putting my waterproofs on. So these are the ones that I need to move the fence for. So all these ones are waiting patiently to be fed. See this, from that fence there to this hedge, they'll be having all of this now. So I just got to take this fence from here right the way down and reel it up. Then they can have this. And then tomorrow's fence, the other side of here, is already set up. See where that orange stake is next to my car? So they, for people that haven't seen the channel before, we like to strip graze. Saves a lot of grass, and also the cows don't trample the grass as much, and they're having a fresh bit of quality grass every single day. Yes, the rushes have come back again, and they do need topping off, but unfortunately our mower was broke. We knew it was going to come to an end, and we are looking for another topper / mower. Not sure what we're going to get yet, but we need to do it because all of this needs cutting again. I did do a video on that. That was the grass management video. But ideally, when these lot come out of there, this should be done. But like I said, we still need to look for a topper or a mower or something to cut it. Right then, so let's get this row which is over here, and then I'll let the fence down and let them come in. There's the bull. He's waiting. Just get this up. I have turned the electric fence off, as you can imagine, with me touching it. So what I'll do, I'll just unwrap this. They know exactly what's going on. So now I'll just post this out the way. They're a lot happier now on nice fresh grass. Look at the colour difference. So that's where they've been. And this is ready for them for tonight. So tomorrow morning, they'll go in the other side and then literally start all the way down to that tree in the distance. Now I'm just going to go back through and pick up the stakes which I've just unwound and get to the end and then roll the wire up. It's getting wet now. So I've just come back to the yard after doing those cows, doing their strip grazing fence. They're all happy now. That's what we like to see. All of them grazing down. So I've come back here just to do the last 3-4 loads. Hopefully it shouldn't take me too long to finish them. Tractor's out in the field already, all ready to go. If you have liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I see at the moment the subscriptions are going up massively, and I can only thank everyone who subscribed for that. I must be doing something right. Yeah, so these are the last loads that I'm going to be doing, and then hopefully I didn't get too wet. I don't know if you hear the rain, but yeah, it's raining quite hard now. So yeah, I'll finish this off and I'll see you next week for the next video, and cheers for everyone that subscribed.